Hey everyone, Tyler Stevens here with your RainDrop Minute. Production people, this SlowFlo video is for you. Before the SlowFlo, contractors had to rely on bulky, ugly splash guards that not only stood out, but they collected debris, clogged up, and they eventually overflowed. It was a temporary fix to a long-term problem. Now, we have a permanent solution to this major homeowner headache. The SlowFlo enhances the performance of a roof's water management system, especially in valley areas where runoff is concentrated, by helping direct water properly into the gutters. Here's the rule. If your customer has a valley with an inside corner beneath it, they need a SlowFlo. If they've ever dealt with water overshooting the gutters in that area, then they definitely need one. And if they simply want peace of mind that water is being directed away from their home, it's a no-brainer. An easy way to bring it up to the homeowner is, Mr. and Mrs. Jones, I noticed you have a valley in the back of the house. Have you ever noticed water overshooting the gutter in that area? If they reply yes, you could say, well, while I'm here, I figured I'd go over a solution we have to this problem. Would that be okay with you? When the customer says yes again, say, we install a product called SlowFlo to the inside corner of the roof to prevent this issue and eliminate headaches for our customers. I actually have one on the truck and I can get this installed today before we wrap up. How does that sound? And if the customer says no to your question, you could just show them any obvious damage from an overflow event. You should always keep a few SlowFlo on the truck and offer this solution before wrapping up the install if the product wasn't pre-sold. It's a small add-on that delivers a huge impact, and your customers will thank you for it. And that's your RainDrop Minute. We'll see you next time.